Hello, my name is Mark, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a very quick look at the Edifier S350DB speaker set. The Edifier speaker system is a 2.1 system with two bookshelf speakers and a subwoofer. Each item has a black front with this lovely red wooden panel around the sides and the back, making these suitable for putting on display. There's no front grille on these. So just to give you some specs, they've got titanium dome tweeters, 8-inch booming subwoofer, and it's Bluetooth 4.1 with aptX. You get this round remote control, and that comes with a battery to control the inputs. It's a CR2025 battery that you'll need, and this has a small red light on it to let you know that the battery is working and commands are being sent out. On the front of the right hand speaker is a small display to let you know which inputs you are using. On the side of that speaker are controls for volume, bass and treble, and the volume doubles up as the input selector by pressing it in. The right hand speaker is an active speaker, the left hand is a passive speaker, and the left hand side hasn't got any sort of controls on it at all. You just have the lovely wooden enclosure. Around the back of the subwoofer is the power control, power plug, the various input sources including optical and coaxial, and the two connections to the speakers. You can see slightly different connections with one being active and one being passive. You get all the cables you need in the box. And as you saw a moment ago, the little screen on the front reflects the input names around the back. Setup's really easy. Plug in the two speakers, the power cable, and connect your source. That might be done via cable or via Bluetooth, and as soon as you're up and running, you can hear a brilliant room-filling sound out of the speakers. The volume's got a good range on it, so you can sit very close up and play games with these, as well as being further away and just filling the room with music if you like. They sound good with games, explosions sound nice and meaty, and bullets flying all over the place, and good stereo separation. So they're very good for gaming, very good for music, and very good for watching films as well. I hope you found this review useful. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about these, I'll put a link in the description below. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. Here's another little track for you so you can hear the quality of these speakers to play you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.